Did you know cakes made out of a brownie mix taste so much better than your regular chocolate cake? Let me show it to you. So start by emptying your favorite brownie box mix into a bowl and add baking powder to it. I'm using Betty Crocker's here. You can use any of your favorite. I know it's not a sponsored post, just sharing my recommendation with you guys. In another bowl, crack open 3 eggs and whisk until foamy. By the way guys, the blog post has lot more details on difference between brownie and cake and how few tweaks in the ingredients can give you a totally new recipe. The link will be shared in the description box below, so those interested in science behind baking can definitely check it out. Add in the melted butter and mix again. You can also add a dash of vanilla or almond essence at this stage if you like. Then dump in the dry ingredients. With the help of a rubber spatula, mix using the cut and fold technique to form a cake batter. That simple is it. Can you beat that? By the way, if you find that the batter is too thick, then you can add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of water to adjust the consistency. A tip here is that in place of water, you can also use coffee syrup or coffee concoction, which would bring out or amp up the chocolate flavor even more. Next, transfer it to an 8-inch prepared cake pan and bake in a preheated oven of 180 degrees Celsius for 28 to 30 minutes or until a skewer inserted in the center comes out clean. That's all about it. Of course, you can stop here and simply serve the cake with a scoop of ice cream once cooled, but I am taking it one step ahead by adding chocolate ganache on top, which is totally optional. So for that, start by chopping your favorite chocolate. I am using Whittaker's, again not a sponsored post. I am using dark chocolate. You can use either dark or semi-sweet for this recipe. Add it to a bowl and pour hot cream on top. Cover with a lid and leave for a minute, after which stir to dissolve the chocolate completely, then cling wrap and allow it to thicken. Just a note here that if you keep this bowl in the fridge, it will thicken faster as compared to when kept it at room temperature. So the choice is totally yours. Make sure that the consistency is right. That's it. And look at that beauty. Oh my god, it just scoops out so well and so shiny, right? Okay, so once thickened, simply add it on top of the cake and spread it across. Need not be peculiar here, just leave it rustic and then top with sprinkles or any chocolate decorations of choice. Like I said, you can totally skip this step, or in place of chocolate ganache, you can also make use of chocolate whipped cream. I made some chocolate curls. The tutorial for the same can be found on our Instagram reels. Link is shared in the description box below. Wait until I cut this cake and show you guys the texture. It's just mind-blowing and so much easier, especially for a beginner to replicate it, right? And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you soon in my next one. Until then, this is Sushma signing off. Take care. Bye bye.